POV, you wake up at 4:12 a.m., the room is pitch black, your phone screen glows on the nightstand. You already know what you are going to do before you even touch it. You open the banking app, you stare at the numbers, your heart tightens, not because you are broke, because you suddenly realize money is the only thing standing between you and total chaos. You sleep, but your mind is still counting every dollar, every debt, every opportunity you missed. Welcome to the invisible throne that rules the entire world. Tonight we go all the way in why money is the most powerful thing on earth. Let's begin where the hunger actually started, the day currency was born. Imagine this, you are standing in the dirt of an ancient market 5,000 years ago. You hold a handful of gold coins. With those coins, you can buy food for your family. You can buy protection from the warlord. You can buy the woman everyone else wants without them. You starve. You die. You are forgotten. Money was never just metal or paper. It was concentrated power, the first invention that let one man control another without lifting a sword. That ancient truth never changed. It only got stronger. Fast forward to today. Po you are 30 years old, you have the degree, the job, the responsibilities, but every single decision in your life still bends to one master. Money, you stay in the toxic relationship because the rent is split. You take the soul crushing job because the paycheck keeps the lights on. You smile at people you hate because their network could make you rich. Money does not just buy things, it buys your time, it buys your choices, it buys your freedom. And the moment you run out of it, you become a slave again. Let me tell you a story that actually happened. His name was Victor. 41 built a small empire from nothing. Tech startup, 7 figures in the bank, private jet, the works everyone called him powerful. Then one bad investment, one lawsuit, one night the accounts froze. In 48 hours, he went from king to nobody. His wife left the same week. His so called friends stopped answering calls. He sat alone in his empty mansion and realized the brutal truth. The power was never him, it was the money. When the money vanished, the power vanished with it. Victor spent the next 3 years clawing his way back just to feel like a man again. That night, he understood money is not a tool, it is the throne, and when you lose the throne, everyone sees you for what you really are, powerless. This is not rare. This is the hidden rule that governs every human relationship on the planet. But here is where the story gets darker. Po you are the one who finally gets the money. Millions, houses, cars, influence. Now people fear you, they respect you, they obey you. Doors open before you even knock. Laws bend, morals bend. You start to enjoy it, you start to need it, you start to believe you are untouchable. The same force that once protected you now corrupts you from the inside. You stop seeing people as people, you see them as assets, as expenses, as transactions. Money has turned the protector into the predator. And the worst part, you genuinely believe you earned this power. You forget that the money was the only thing that made you powerful in the first place. Why is money still the most powerful thing in 2026? Three brutal truths no one says out loud. 1. Money is concentrated life force, time, energy, freedom, health, love. Everything you value can be bought or destroyed by money. No other force on earth has that kind of reach. 2. Money controls the invisible rules. Politics, media, justice, even the air you breathe is filtered through money. Laws are written by the rich. News is shaped by the rich. Your entire reality is curated by whoever has the biggest stack. 3. Money reveals who you really are. When you have none, you see the world's cruelty. When you have everything, you see your own darkness. Money does not change people, it unmasks them. The kind stay kind, the cruel become monsters, the weak become desperate, the strong become gods. Here is the twist no one sees coming. The man who masters true power is the man who treats money as a servant, not a master. He uses it, he does not worship it. He stacks it without letting it stack him, because he knows the final secret. Money can buy everything except the one thing that actually matters, peace inside your own mind. The richest men in the world still wake up at 4:12 am, staring at their accounts, terrified of losing it all. The truly powerful man. He sleeps through the night because money serves him, he does not serve money. So, next time you open that banking app in the dark and feel that familiar tightness in your chest, remember this video. You are not greedy, you are not shallow. You are simply staring at the most powerful force humanity ever created. The question is simple. Will you let money own you until the day you die? Or will you finally take the throne and make the money bow to you? You already know the answer. The only question left is when will you start? Drop a comment with the word money if this hit you in the chest. Like if you want more dark truths about the forces that actually rule the world. Subscribe and turn on notifications because the next POV is already coming for your wallet. You are not alone in the numbers, but you are the only one who can decide whether money becomes your cage or your crown. See you in the next one.